Hi friends, good morning. It's around 9:24 in the morning. We are leaving the hostel, Kochi, and now we are on our way to Alleppey. So the reason behind starting a bit late is because the distance for today is less. It's only 50 kilometers. So as I said yesterday, it's gonna be a short ride. Yeah, so let's start the ride. Huh? Sorry?
Darti kg.
Puncture?
Puncture नहीं है.
There?
नहीं.
No puncture?
No puncture.
So now while riding I was stopped by one guy, and he was asking me about my Instagram ID and all, so that he can follow, which is really good. I mean, people are interested, they look at the bike, and they would want to know which state you are coming from, where you are heading, what is your plans, your social media handles and all, which is really kind. I mean, the youth nowadays really is interested in traveling and understanding how different culture and lifestyle is. Special mention to Ilyas, who was the guy who just stopped me. Chalo, let's go. It's only 24 kilometers remaining. Let's continue the ride. We are about to reach our destination of stay. Alleppey city is still around 7 to 8 kilometers from here. So the location that we are currently is Marai Kulam, I guess. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. So now we are in Alleppey. We'll have some lunch first, and then we will explore the city. हाय फ्रेंड्स, सभी हम लोग एलेपी में हैं और स्टार्टिंग से पुणे से लेके एलेपी तक अभी अपना ऑलमोस्ट 1500 किलोमीटर्स हुआ है। सो आई थिंक और मेरा लास्ट सर्विसिंग जो था वो भी अराउंड सेम टाइम पे था, तो मैं सर्विसिंग के बाद में ही निकला था। Hi friends, good morning, welcome back to my channel. So it's around 5:43 in the morning and we are going for the early morning or the sunrise kayaking ride in Alleppey. So as you know, I am staying in Marari Kulam, which happens to be 10 kilometers away, 10 to 12 kilometers away from the Alleppey city. We have reached to this place and the guy in front of me is Oscar and he is taking us to the point where we will be starting the kayaking. We have to park here?
No.
Acha.
They are coming this way.
Okay.
They will go straight and right.
Okay.
Just nearby.
हाँ.
This is finishing point.
Okay, this is the finish. Where is this?
1.5 kilometer. That place is
1.5 kilometer.
There is one boat in 110 people. One boat in 110 people rowing.
Nice.
Is lot of people participating. It's a one village in one boat.
One village, one boat. Okay, so it must be a matter of pride.
It's a 1.5 kilometer. It's a last win in 4.5 minutes.
4.5 minutes for 1.5. That's really good.
August 2nd Saturday.
August 2nd Saturday.
Say on a ceremony.
This area must be very crowded that time, no? Huge crowd. So just completed with the kayaking, sunrise kayaking here in Alleppey amazing experience, but at the same time very tiring. It started at 6 o'clock and it went on till 9:30. So the entire journey was around 4 to 5 kilometer, as I spoke with the guy. But yeah, just amazing. One should really try this experience when in Alleppey. So there are 3 batches which they have. One is sunrise batch, which starts at 6 o'clock. Second one is around 9 or so, and third one is sunset wala batch. Now I'll go and freshen up, and then we will continue our journey.